Did you know you can reheat pizza in your air fryer? I couldn't believe how good this came out, but we did it. Let me show you how. After a minute and a half, this is how it's coming out. Cheese is starting to glisten some more. Crust is starting to warm up. Vacuum. After 3 minutes, this is how it came out. Nice and glistening. Cheese melted. But is it evenly warmed up? Or is the microwave better? Let's try. It's got a nice firm crust. No, it's mine. That's like fresh pizza. It didn't even feel like it was warmed up in the air fryer. It's like it was fresh pizza made. That's really, really good. And even. She wants it now. If this helped, if you could leave a like and a comment and subscribe, it does help a lot. I hope you have a great night and wonderful eating.